Hi vitepos lover. It's the vitepos tutorial here. This video is going to show you the send mail to customer of vitepos. Let's get started. If you are new to our channel, then please click on subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get more updated videos. And if you are already a subscriber to our channel, then thank you so much for subscribing. If you want to send email to the customer, then you have to go to the admin panel, then go to the basic setting. On below you get an option send email to customer, enable this option. Now go to pause and make an order. Then go to the customer's email address to check if the order receipt comes or not. We can see that the order comes successfully to the customer email. That concludes our overview of the send mail to customer of vitepos. We hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more updated videos.